In this episode, we'll get the wheels rolling as we talk about the latest and most sought-after Mercedes-Benz cars. We broke down the newest models and their most notable features to help you do your research. If you want to buy a new Mercedes, keep watching to learn more about our top choices and their current prices. It's no wonder that Mercedes is such a well-known and beloved luxury brand. Mercedes-Benz is the world's leading manufacturer and marketer of premium and luxury vehicles, with headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany. It's a global auto retailer and service provider, with manufacturing facilities that can be found all around the world. With top-notch luxury and commercial vehicles, it's definitely one of the car brands that many aspire to possess one day. This is Sophie and you're watching Auto Aficionados, your source of exciting news and info on the latest vehicles and luxury cars. We'll start with number 5, the Mercedes-Benz T-Class. As a luxury compact van, the T-Class offers ample room that can be utilized in various ways, as well as a high level of comfort and functionality. This car has a maximum speed of 103 miles per hour. With 114 horsepower, this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 13.2 seconds. The drivetrain layout of this model is a front-wheel drive. The Mercedes-Benz T-Class has plenty of space for 5 people. Inside, every T-Class comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, smartphone integration, keyless start, a 5.5-inch digital display in the instrument cluster, and LED interior lighting. Most of the interior is covered in faux leather, while the dashboard has black trim. Mercedes points out that the wide sliding door openings and low rear sill make the car even more versatile and functional as a passenger vehicle. The rear bench seat can also be folded flat to make more room for luggage. The Mercedes-Benz T-Class is available for around $37,000. Mercedes-Benz EQB is at number 4. The EQB uniquely expresses Mercedes' progressive EQ's luxury. It has a black Mercedes EQ grille with a star. This car has a maximum speed of 100 miles per hour. With 225 horsepower, this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 to 7.8 seconds. The drivetrain layout of this model is an all-wheel drive. The front and back of all Mercedes EQ vehicles have a strip of lights that go all the way across. This is one of the most notable design features that sets them apart. A horizontal fiber optic strip connects the full LED headlamp's daytime running lights. This makes the lights easy to see at night. The EQB has intelligent driving assistance systems that work together to help the driver, with standard features that include active lane keeping assist and active brake assist. The Mercedes-Benz EQB has a price tag of over $56,800. The Mercedes-AMG CLS 53 4MATIC Plus enters at number 3. Mercedes-Benz boasts that the AMG line stands for quality and pure elegance. This coupe has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour. With 429 horsepower, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The drivetrain layout of this model is an all-wheel drive. The prominent radiator grille on the CLS 53 was made just for AMG. It has the classic Mercedes star and the subtle AMG letters. It also has vertical struts that add to the imposing but sleek look, and it has black flicks and air curtains that are clearly visible on the sporty bumpers. Nappa leather was used to cover the wheel, which is a typical AMG steering wheel that comes from its motorsports pedigree. In addition, the touch control panels on the dash make it easy to control the car, so you can simply focus on driving. This AMG coupe has a starting price of close to $100,000. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus is our number 2 pick. The EQS is Mercedes' first EQ's all-electric luxury saloon. This car has a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour. With 329 horsepower, this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. The drivetrain layout of this model is rear-wheel drive. The sport front seats add more support and style to the luxurious comfort and dramatic, draped design of EQS seats like the Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus. With the EQS, the Mercedes-Benz user experience, or MBUX, is made even better. MBUX has a touchscreen, touch-sensitive controls, Bluetooth hands-free, audio streaming, and a voice control system that is the best in the business. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 Plus has a base price of over $100,000. Before we look at our choice for the number 1 spot, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share your comments and driving experiences below. The number 1 pick is the Mercedes-AMG GT Roadster. The car is equipped with all the necessary features for drivers with sporty ambitions. Mercedes says, the standard fit driver assistance systems and options enhance handling safety and minimize stress on the driver. This model has a maximum speed of 193 miles per hour. With 523 horsepower, this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. The drivetrain layout of this model is rear-wheel drive. The AMG radiator grille is the focal point of the front end of the vehicle. The tall hood with its prominent power domes, the large front apron, the Roadster's triple-layer fabric soft top, the enormous wheels, and the broad rear end are all striking characteristics. The stylized V8 arrangement of the controls has been enhanced with the facelift and supplemented with innovative display switches to select the various settings. The central position touchpad enables intuitive control of the infotainment system. This Roadster is worth $130,700 US. Do you consider Mercedes-Benz as dream car material? How would you rate and rank these luxury car models? Which other luxury car brands would you like us to feature next? Do you agree with our list? Is there anything else that didn't make the cut? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss the next one. We also look forward to reading your comments and suggestions down below. As always, we'll see you next time, and enjoy the journey.